Welcome back, everybody. Starting the day out with some good wheelies. Today's video topic, I'm going to be talking about why you need yourself a Z125 or a Grom or a Monkey, really any mini bike. They're all pretty much the same. Well, Z125 and the Grom, pretty much the same to me. And to sum it up, it's because they're so damn fun. Such simple little bikes require such little maintenance. Do your oil change, your oil filter, lube your chain, keep it nice and tight, and you're pretty much set. You don't really have to do much more than that. In my experience, at least, that's how it's been. They've been super low maintenance. I know the Z125 2021s, I did that video where I've seen a big issue with the ECUs, and they've had a recall on those, but hopefully they're getting that sorted out. I haven't really heard too much about that or as many complaints about that as I did in the past. And you'll see us popping a lot of wheelies. That's because we kind of just, or I've at least, kind of just started to get the hang of wheelies on this thing. If you go back to my earlier videos, I've had this bike for about 6 months, and you'll see me like kind of try to pop it up in my earlier videos. Oh my God! Ah! He's cooking. He's like, I didn't see that. He cooked away. But yeah, you'll see me in my earlier videos kind of try to pop it up a little bit. And I literally just go, barely get that thing up.
Oh, look, there he goes. Oh, look, he's pulling that guy over that he was following back there.
Oh, really? But yeah, you'll see us goofing off, hitting some wheelies a lot. That's because I kind of just started to get good at them. I'm starting to feel myself on them a little bit. So I've been practicing my wheelies a lot. But you gotta be careful with that for sure. And I didn't even change anything to the bike when I got better at wheelies. It was literally all just seat time and practice. I mean, I did get an exhaust, but I'm on stock exhaust right now. I cracked that exhaust, so I'm back on the stock and I'm still doing wheelies just fine. So it's not like that really helped me. But I got levers, which make it feel nicer. But all seat time. This is a completely stock gearing, everything. He had to return something to the O'Reillys, but yeah, stock gearing, stock everything. These Z's wheelie pretty dang good off the showroom floor, which I can't really say the same about the Groms. I tried my buddy's Grom, and I don't know, maybe it was just that I was trying not to mess up his bike. I couldn't really get the front wheel up when he had it stock, but that could have just been me. Whoa. But like I was saying, man, wheelies aside, even if wheelies aren't your thing, don't interest you, you just, maybe it's your first motorcycle, you want to get into it, you like the cruising aspect, the freedom of being out there riding, these are awesome for that too. I enjoyed the hell out of this for doing that for the first just couple of months when I couldn't wheelie it at all. I just had a little bit of an addiction with wheelies lately. This thing is so damn quiet with the stock exhaust, but I found it's kind of nice with the stock exhaust. I mean, I think I'm gonna go back to the aftermarket exhaust here soon, just because I like that little brap it adds to it. I really do. But the stock exhaust is nice. You can just wheelie around people, they don't even look over at you. Stay real low key. Woo! Woo! Another reason you need yourself a mini bike, when I say mini bike, like I said in the beginning of the video, a Monkey, a Grom, a Z125, whatever you decide to go with, whatever you get a deal on, is that they get amazing gas mileage. Now he says he got 100 miles to the gallon on his. He said he went like 120 miles, went to the gas station, put in 1.3 gallons. So I don't know about that. I think a general average would be more like 70, 75, maybe 80. But regardless, that's really, really good gas mileage. That's enough to where you don't really have to think about where you're riding or what you're spending, in my opinion. But yeah, real good gas mileage on these things, so you gotta love that. Who doesn't love that? Another thing is the parts are pretty cheap. Parts when you need it are really cheap. I saw like a set of tires somewhere for 65 bucks. I don't know if they were any good, but I remember seeing them and be like, oh shoot, that's not bad at all. Tires are cheap when you, most people, I'm at 4,300 miles. I bought this with 75 miles on it. So I put a lot of miles on this in like a little over a half a year. Most people don't even put that many miles on theirs, it seems like, for whatever reason. I ride these things all the time, so I'm needing a new tire here. But a lot of people won't even be looking at a new tire for a year or so. But I've seen people say, I've definitely seen some videos where people say, no, the Grom Z125, whatever, these smaller bikes aren't good beginner bikes. And it seems like in most of those videos, the common theme is people say, you know, they're not fast enough, they don't have enough speed to, it almost makes them dangerous, that they're too slow. I really don't believe that. I know some people say, some people say you need a little bit of speed or whatever to pass a car or do whatever. I mean, of course they're not good highway bikes. They top out around downhill 67 regularly, maybe 63-ish, 62, 63. What the heck? But I really do think they're great little beginner bikes. Definitely in your average 45 mile per hour area, they have enough little oomph to get around cars and make passes for the most part. And I mean, when it comes down to it, you can just slow down if you really need to get over. But yeah, I'm not really with that, the whole argument that it's not fast enough for a beginner bike. But I think I think this is a great little beginner bike. You can hop on it, feel comfortable, not feel like it's too big for you, too heavy, anything like that. You can throw it around real easy, super easy. You're not gonna get a bike that you can throw around better, that's more agile or anything like that. And then if you get some buddies that get them, that's just all the more reason to get one. I mean, they're super fun to be riding in groups with. And I mean, I'm probably missing some reasons, but the last reason I'll talk about is it's an awesome second bike as well. If you got a motorcycle or dual sport or whatever, it's just a super fun second bike to change it up, hop around on. And it's just a different experience, a different type of fun. But that's about all I got for this video, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video, ride around and talk about it. On why these, I think these are super fun bikes to have, in my opinion. Not for everybody, but I think they're a super fun bike. So be sure to check out some of my other videos. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And subscribe. I drop 3 videos a week, so be sure to subscribe for that. And other than that, guys, follow me on Instagram at NolanRides. And appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you on the next one.